morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from Brahan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's session, we'll be learning something new and interesting from a science textbook. So let's get started.
Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from MCGM virtual class. Today's class is for standard 8 and we will be learning a very interesting chapter from your science textbook. The chapter today we are going to do is chapter number 8, pollution. Now the word pollution, we have learned and heard about this word many a times in your textbooks also, in your previous standards as well, in news also, and many places, right? But we need to understand why are we studying this again in this class. So there is a very important thing in this chapter that we will be studying. Now remember, in our previous classes we have learned what is pollution, किस तरीके से pollution होता है, and in this class we will be learning about how it affects our health, our environment, the plants and animals around us, and how can we prevent it. Okay, so it is a very important chapter because ultimately it is affecting us, our environment, and it is important for us to know about this in detail. So let's get started and understand about this chapter in detail and about pollution. Now, in our day-to-day life, now from the very beginning, from your 5th and 6th standard onwards, we have learned that about pollution. Okay, we have learned about air pollution and the types of pollution. We've also seen that there are various problems that are occurring because of the pollution that is happening in our environment. So, there are various problems of environment because of pollution taking place. Now that there are various reasons for that, we will be studying about that in detail in this chapter. Okay, so here you can see that there is a man who is giving out waste into the water. There are animals which are releasing waste into the water. There are industries which are giving out waste into the water and in the surrounding, which is leading to pollution of water, of land and air. So because of that, there are various issues which are coming up in our day-to-day life, like people are becoming sick nowadays very easily. Water is being contaminated, and because of that water also we are facing problems of health issues are there nowadays on a large number. Okay, so we have various problems of environment because of pollution. Now many problems have been arisen on the earth due to human interference in the nature. हमारा जो planet है वो बहुत एक अच्छी जगह है. We all know that it is the only planet known to have life on it. ठीक है? Because there are various factors like atmosphere, like you have proper temperature, you have food, you have plants, you have animals, everything is in balance, right? We have learned कि एटमॉस्फेयर कितना, हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उसके अंदर जो गैसेस है वो कितने प्रपोर्शन में है, हमारे पास प्लांट्स है, हमारे पास एनिमल्स है, everything is in proper proportion on our planet, and that is why we are able to survive till now, right? But because of our interference into the environment, like industrialization, मतलब आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलप होती जा रही है, उसके वजह से पोल्यूशन बढ़ता जा रहा है. फॉरेस्ट एरियाज को कट किया जा रहा है ताकि इंडस्ट्रीज बनाई जाए. ठीक है, इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन, we can see that nowadays there are so many people. Earlier there were very less number of people living in a particular city or in a particular village, but nowadays the numbers have increased because of the increasing population. ठीक है, as the number of people will increase, their needs will increase, and जब हमारी ज़रूरतें बढ़ती हैं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ट्रीज कट डाउन करते हैं, और जो भी हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं एम्यूनिटीज़ वो सही तरीके से नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उससे पोल्यूशन क्रिएट होता है. And that also is a very that also has a very bad effect on our planet. Okay, then mining means digging down uh, the surface of the earth in order to bring out coal and crude oil. ठीक है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारी हार्मफुल गैसेस रिलीज होती है. इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट यूज ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स, ज़्यादा पेस्टिसाइड्स और फर्टिलाइजर यूज़ करने से हमारी जो लैंड की क्वालिटी है वो ख़राब हो जाती है. These are all few reasons which are causing pollution on the earth. it is affecting human beings only. We all know that human beings are using this entire thing. All these things that I've mentioned right now, we are making use of industries, we are making use of all the amenities that are there, and all the resources that are there in our environment, like atmosphere and the jo bhi gases है, we are using them. Then we are using trees also, we are cutting down that forest which were actually good for us. उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे problems हो रहे हैं जो हमें ही impact affect करते हैं. So here you can see a very nice picture which shows us that how human activities and how natural, there are certain natural activities also like volcanic eruption, forest fires. ये सारी चीजें जो हम लोग की वजह से, like from the vehicles also there are harmful gases which are coming out. These are all let into the atmosphere, और then this atmosphere goes forms clouds, and जो हमारे clouds है वो impact यही जो हार्मफुल गैसेस है इसी को कैरी करके नीचे पानी के फॉर्म्स में हमारे लैंड पे गिरता है, ठीक है, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एसिड रेन्स. तो इट इज इफेक्टिंग अस. Here you can see the natural and human generated emissions. Then it is transported and the chemical reactions takes place, and then again it gets deposited onto the surface of our earth in the form of acid rains or smog, haze, right? So ये सारी चीजें हमें इफेक्ट कर रही हैं, हमारी ही एक्टिविटीज और नेचुरल एक्टिविटीज लाइक फॉरेस्ट फायर्स. जब जंगल में आग लग जाती है वो हम नहीं करते, बट वो लग जाती है, उससे भी बहुत सारी हार्मफुल गैसेस एमिट होती है. वॉल्केनोज जब इरप्ट होते हैं तो उसमें से बहुत सारी गैसेस रिलीज होती है एनवायरनमेंट में. So there are natural activities also and there are human activities also which are giving out harmful gases into the atmosphere and into the environment. ठीक है? And that are again affecting humans only. Now let us understand the word pollution. We have learned about pollution many a times. ठीक है? So pollution means contamination of soil, water or the atmosphere by the discharge of harmful substances. Now remember हमारे जो nature में already present है resources like soil, water and air. These are naturally occurring things on our planet. अब इसके अंदर अगर हम लोग कोई चीज ऐड करते हैं जो हार्मफुल है, ठीक है, लाइक हार्मफुल गैसेस और हार्मफुल केमिकल्स इन वाटर, ये या फिर undesirable changes in air, water and land is called pollution. And the substances that causes pollutions are called pollutants. The main cause of pollution is human activities. Okay. Now remember कि जो volcanic eruptions है, forest fires है, ये पहले भी हुआ करती थी, ऐसा नहीं है कि आज ही हो रही है. तो ये जो level है natural activities का वो maintain हो जाता है, ठीक है, atmosphere में. But जब human activities के बारे में बात होती है, like if we are giving out waste in a large number, जब हम लोग बहुत सारा waste अगर एटमॉस्फेयर में डिस्चार्ज कर रहे हैं या फिर पानी में फेंक रहे हैं या फिर सॉइल में डाल रहे हैं, तो उससे वो जो नेचुरल रिसोर्स है उसकी क्वालिटी खराब हो जाती है, ठीक है, वो हमारे यूज करने के लायक नहीं बचता. तो इसे कहते हैं पोल्यूशन. ठीक है, कंटामिनेशन ऑफ सॉइल, वाटर और द एटमॉस्फेयर by the discharge of harmful substances, undesirable change in water, air and land is called pollution, and the substances that causes pollution are called pollutants. The main cause of pollution is human activities. So, I hope the concept of pollution is clear to all of you. Now, let's understand few problems that I earlier mentioned. Because of pollution, there are undesirable and unacceptable, unnecessary and unacceptable change in the surrounding environment due to natural events or human activities is called environmental pollution. That is direct or indirect changes in physical, chemical and biological properties of air, water and soil which will be harmful to human and other living beings in the environment is environmental pollution. Various reasons like pollution, population explosion, fast industrialization and indiscriminate use of natural resources, deforestation and unplanned urbanization are responsible for environmental pollution. So I hope the concept of pollution is clear to all of you all, and why does this pollution occur is also clear to all of you. Chalo, let's move ahead. Now the factors affecting natural functions of ecosystem. Now everybody has learned about ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? हम जो environment में रहते हैं उसमें हर एक चीज properly function करती है in the ecosystem ताकि वो maintain रहे. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज कम ज्यादा हो जाएगी तो ecosystem disturb हो जाएगा. तो there are a few natural factors which are maintained properly in the ecosystem. That is why it is working properly. And if you cause any harmful effects like factors affecting natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on abiotic and biotic factors are called pollutants. Now there are certain things, I would say things like fertilizers, sewage, जो गंदा जो कचरा और जो हमारे घर से जो sewage निकलता है, ठीक है, फिर हमारी जो फैक्ट्रीज होती है, फैक्ट्रीज में से जो ऑयल्स है, गैसेस है जो एमिट होते हैं पानी में या फिर एयर में, फर्टिलाइजर्स है, ठीक है, फॉरेस्ट के अंदर जो भी फायर लगती है, वाइल्ड फायर्स होती है, तो ये सारी चीजें हैं लाइक एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट फ्रॉम योर व्हीकल्स ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल्सो जो धुआं निकलता है, ठीक है, दीज आर ऑल गिविंग आउट पोल्यूटेंट्स. ये जो जो धुआं निकलना है, तेल गिरना है, फर्टिलाइजर्स है, ठीक है, गैसेस है, ये सारे चीजों को हम लोग पोल्यूटेंट्स कहते हैं जिसकी वजह से पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. ठीक है, कोई एक सब्सटेंस जिसके वजह से पोल्यूशन हो रहा है उसे हम लोग पोल्यूटेंट्स कहते हैं. जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में ऐड हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से नुकसान हो रहा है एनवायरनमेंट को, उसे कहते हैं पोल्यूटेंट. ठीक है, इट कुड बी बायोटिक, इट कुड बी एबियोटिक, बोथ के ऊपर इफेक्ट होता है. ठीक है, दोनों के ऊपर इफेक्ट होता है. बायोटिक मतलब लिविंग थिंग्स के ऊपर, एबियोटिक मीन्स नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक सॉइल है, वाटर है, एयर है. ठीक है, pollutants make the environment poisonous and unhealthy. Pollutants may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due course of time by nature's rule. However, man-made pollutants are not. I am repeating it again and again. Pollutants are both ways. Naturally जो occurring है वो जल्दी से खत्म हो जाते हैं और उसका लेवल मेंटेन हो जाता है easily. But जब हम लोग man-made pollutants की बात करते हैं तो it doesn't get eradicated completely. वो environment में हमारे atmosphere में रहता ही है, ठीक है, soil में रहता है, पानी में बचा रहता है और जल्दी से वो खत्म नहीं होता और उसकी वजह से pollution होता है. Now there are two types of pollutants. Biodegradable pollutants, those which are rapidly decomposed by natural processes. Example, domestic sewage. Biodegradable मतलब जो सड़ सकता है, जो थोड़े टाइम के बाद में सड़ के खत्म हो जाएगा. लाइक हमारे घर का खाना, अगर हमारे घर का खाना हम लोग जमीन में सॉइल के अंदर अगर दबा देंगे, ठीक है, इफ यू जो भी घर का जो हमारा वेस्ट है, फूड फूड का वेस्ट, ठीक है, if I dig two holes into the soil. In one, if I put in my domestic waste like my banana peels और जो हमारे जो वेजिटेबल्स के जो लेफ्ट ओवर्स होते हैं, एग शेल्स है, ये सारी चीजें जो हम लोग है ना सॉइल के अंदर डालेंगे ना और कुछ दिनों के बाद देखेंगे तो ये कम्प्लीटली गायब हो जाएंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा पार्टिकल बचा रहेगा. ठीक है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर फ्यू pollutants which are non-degradable. So if you place plastic into the other hole and cover it, even after years if you open it, no, you will find that plastic is there like that only. It has not decomposed, it has not broken down. Okay, so it is affecting the environment, so that degrades very slowly into natural environment are called as non-degradable pollutants. Example is plastic, aluminium cans, glass, DDT, salts, etc. ठीक है. Now there are few factors affecting environment. Natural factors like forest fire, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes. Now these are natural factors which are emitting out gases also, which are giving out harmful substances into the environment. Okay? So these are natural factors which are affecting the environment. Let's come on to the man-made factors. Transportation of the vehicles that give out waste and harmful gases, then cutting down of forests or deforestation, and From the industries, there are harmful gases which are being emitted into the atmosphere, and apart from the harmful gases, there are chemical waste also which are let into the oceans. So these are few examples of man-made factors which are affecting the environment and natural factors which are affecting the environment. Now, which are the types of pollution? We have learned that there are three types of pollution basically. Noise pollution is also considered as pollution only. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. So these are a few types of pollutions that we have already learned. And pollution is a very broad concept. Various types of pollutions like that of air, water, sound, soil, thermal, light pollution occurs around us. Ultimate adverse effect of all these is on existence of all the living organisms, and out of this environmental conservation have become the need of ours. So we have studied the air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution in our previous classes, but now we are going to learn about that in detail. Okay, so we have learned that pollution की वजह से एसिड रेन्स होती है, हमारे जो एनिमल्स है वो ख़त्म हो जा रहे हैं, they are endangered animals now. Then we also have various reasons like global warming, greenhouse effect that we will be learning in detail in this chapter. So I hope the term pollution, pollutants, types of pollution is clear to all of you all. Let's continue ahead. The first type of pollution that we're going to discuss in this chapter is air pollution. So when I talk about air pollution, anything in the air or the atmosphere, apart from the natural gases which are present like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, inert gases, water vapor, and dust particles. Apart from these, if anything additional is added into the atmosphere, जो कि time to time खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, replace नहीं हो रहा है, तो that is called as air pollution. ठीक है? See that now? Now, if I talk about air, the air in the atmosphere around the earth contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, six inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. Okay? Now, when I talk about air pollution, contamination of air by harmful substances like poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbes, etc. is called as air pollution. Okay? It could be because of the industries or factories giving out harmful gases. It could be because of vehicles emitting out harmful gases from the vehicles. हमारे अंदर हमारे environment में pollution create होता है. ठीक है, so contamination of air by harmful substances like poisonous gases which are coming out from the factories or industries or from the vehicles, and the smoke which is released from the vehicles or from the bakeries and all. Then apart from that, particulate matter, बारीक बारीक जो particles जो release होते हैं along with the smoke, that is also adding up to the air pollution. Then there are few microbes also which are released into the air, that also causes air pollution. The smoke which mixes directly into the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituents of air, this is called air pollution. Harmful gases are given out through combustion of fuels in vehicles and in big industries, and also through incomplete combustion of fuels like wood and coal. As a result, air pollution is increasing day by day. ओके, सो एयर पोल्यूशन के कॉजेस समझ में आ गए हम लोग सबको. इट कुड बी नेचुरल, इट कुड बी मैन मेड. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी फॉरेस्ट फायर, दिस इज अ नेचुरल way of air pollution. Apart from that, industries and vehicles which are giving out harmful gases into the atmosphere, which is leading to air pollution. So let us see a few examples of the harmful gases. There are harmful substances which are released in air through combustion of fuels like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and soot. ठीक है? So these are a few harmful substances which I have jotted down here for you all. There could be many more that you could go on the net and search and write it down. These are few simple names that you have learned previously also about the harmful substances which are released in the air, okay, through the combustion of fuels. Now let us see a few reasons of air pollution. As I told you that there are two ways of air pollution, natural and man-made. Okay? Now here, when I talk about carbon monoxide, which is released from vehicles, then you have nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, organic compounds, ammonia. These are all primary pollutants which are released from factories, from towns and homes, from vehicles, from agriculture, from wildfires, volcanoes, aeroplanes. So these are all reasons of air pollution. Okay? Apart from that, you have sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid, ammonium, ozone, particulate matter, hydrogen peroxide, nitric acid. These are also present in the atmosphere because of our activities. Okay, so these are a few reasons of air pollution that we. So what do you mean by natural and artificial pollution? Natural pollution, the one example is volcanic eruption. When a volcano explodes, it releases sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, solid particles and other materials into the air at a much greater rate than is normally the case. Plants, animals, and humans may be killed or injured by these materials. Okay, so I've just taken one example of volcano. You could take few more like earthquake, wildfires, cyclone. These are all ways by which are occurring naturally, जिसमें humans का कोई interference नहीं है और इसकी वजह से बहुत pollution होता है, and this type of pollution is called as natural pollution. Other things which I can think of is earthquakes, which also adds up in the air pollution in one way or another, like water gets contaminated by bio-waste. Example, dead bodies of humans or animals causes contamination and toxicity in natural resources. ठीक है, तो plants के हम लोग ने भी here you have seen about volcanic eruption which leads to natural pollution, and earthquakes also lead to natural pollution. Let's learn about artificial pollution. Now, the man-made pollution is called artificial pollution. It is being made by humans and have huge effect on our environment and definitely ourselves. The reason of increasing the pollution daily is because of rising of population of the world. Since it is getting bigger, there is need to contact the environment to provide the necessity of humans. ठीक है, तो हमारी necessity पूरी करने के लिए we are making use of the natural present resources, and we are using it in a large amount, and because of which it is leading to man-made pollution. Okay. Now, this is a very important thing that we need to understand and remember. Now, air pollution, why do I say that it is dangerous? Because in Bhopal in 1984, it was the world's worst industrial disaster. There was an industry which was making methyl isocyanide gas, which leaked from the Union Carbide factory in Bhopal, that is in Madhya Pradesh, and it killed many people. Okay, people now also there are many the children which are born are having deficiency, they are having abnormalities in their body. Okay, so this is how you can say that air, if it is polluted with harmful or dangerous gases, it could affect our health for a very long time. Okay, so it is the worst ever industrial accident had been occurred in Bhopal on the night of 2nd December 1984. 8,000 people had been died due to accidental gas leakage. Okay, so you could collect more information from Bhopal gas accident, discuss the nature of the accident, reasons, effects, after effects, and preventive measures of Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay. So I hope with this part of the chapter is quite clear to all of you all. I hope you have now understood what is the meaning of pollution, what are pollutants, what are the different types of pollution, and today we learned about air pollution. In our next coming class, we will be learning more about air pollution. How can you prevent it? What are the effects of it? Which are the harmful and poisonous gases which are released into the air which causes air pollution? So please see to it that you'll watch the other video as well. And till then, I hope you all have understood this part of the chapter quite clearly. In the next coming period, we'll be learning something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, thank you. If you liked our session, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can share and view the videos that we had today for you. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you remain updated with all the latest videos that we'll be making for our dear students.
This session was quite useful to you. In the next coming period, we'll learn something new and interesting. Till then, thank you.